Okay, Jerry back. Now, this is actually a re recording of video 4, which I was talking about plan centers. For some reason, I just checked it and video didn't take or didn't load or whatever. It doesn't even exist. So I'm reshooting it. So today is December 21st. I shot this video yesterday, or the one I'm replacing was shot yesterday. So 2023, sorry, December 21st, 2023. Like I said before in a couple of videos, I have not loaded anything on YouTube or Rumble or any other social medias right now. So bear with me. I'm going to retake the one here on plan centers. Now, when I got started as estimator project manager, and I was still a field guy too, doing both, running equipment jobs, all that. We had the internet, but it was nowhere near the powerhouse it is now. We went to local builders exchanges to get our drawings, our specs, see what jobs are out the bid. Some companies I worked for got the DJC, which I think was Daily Journal Commerce. I haven't listened so long. We also get magazines or email list of from the Dodge Report or Dodge McGraw Hill or something. It's been a lot of years. I haven't kept that in my memory bank like I used to. But the last 15 years, it's just everything's on the internet. So, I personally, my partner and I, we belong to one in the Northwest called Plants. Well, they just changed their name a month ago, but it was the Plant Center. Now it was a contract plan center. Now it's the Northwest or something. You can fact check it, look at it yourself. But they're a great plan center. I mean, they're always out there doing what they're supposed to be, finding jobs. You can type in what kind of jobs you're looking at, whether it's sewer, water, storm, pump stations, treatment plants, excavation, grading, buildings, generator. You can type in keywords, searches, all that jazz. And when you find a job you want to bid, you just click on your bid in it. You're interested. They'll be sending you all the information on it and the addendums, postpones, things like that. I will say that don't trust a plan center 100%. You got responsibilities to call the customer, whether it be a city, county, state, fed, whether they have an engineer that they put their phone number in there for you to call. But you want to be calling, making sure if there's any addendums you don't have. Because I have had few plan centers, it doesn't happen very often, but it has happened to where they missed addendum. They didn't either get notified, they didn't make the phone call, or whatever happened. Well, your bid will be rejected if that happens. If you turn in a bid, if you're on your plan center and it says there's 2 addendums and you got them printed out, you signed them, you put them in your bid package, you noted them in there, you're all good to go, you change whatever spec or whatever detail, whatever they're asking for, then all of a sudden you call the customer a day before the bid and you find out, hey, John, hey, Jerry, how many addendums were there, John? Well, Jerry, there's 4. But, well, I only seen 2 on my plan center. Like, yeah, we're on 3 and 4. I'm going to send them to you? Well, absolutely. That does happen. I've had that happen a few times to me. Luckily, I always call the customer, whether the end user, whoever, if you get the job, who you're working for, I always make the phone calls or emails just to make sure I didn't miss any addendums. Okay. There's so many plan centers out there. Most of all my work is in the Northwest. I've worked in a handful of other states, and I currently live in a different state right now. But all my work's in the Northwest, so that's who I belong to for a plan center. They've been great. They're fantastic. And be honest with you, last year I really haven't even used them that much because I'm pretty much just doing design build, and I have a clientele that just keeps coming to us. So, which is lovely, blessed, works out really great. So, but that's pretty much wrapped up with plan centers. Find one that you like, maybe call some other contractors and get their opinion if you're new to the game. If you're an estimator project manager who's going to work for another company and outfit, they're already going to have their system in place, whether it's the building exchange locally, whether it be this company, this plan center, whatever. They're already going to have their wheelhouse that you're going to be using. But if you're going self-employed, do a little research, find a really good contractor's plan center online, pay the money. I think the one in the Northwest, we've been there with them for so long. I think we're around $1,000 a year membership, give or take a couple hundred. So it's worth it. It is. It really is. So anyway, this is technically a retake of video 4, plan centers, how to find the work. Because whether you're self-employed or working for another company, as an estimator, you need to be hustling and finding that work, fill in the gaps. So anyway, have a wonderful, blessed day.